Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about COUNTIF Formula in Excel. This is the list of ledger. We have to find values from this list by using COUNTIF Formula. We have created two cells here by name and repeated. Copy one ledger name from list and paste it here. Now we will use COUNTIF Formula to see total number of ledger in ledger list. Write COUNTIF as formula and it will reflect here. Now select range from which we have to find value. Select ledger list as range. Use comma and select criteria. Select the ledger name as criteria and press enter. It will show total number of entry in selected range. Paste other ledger name in list and see the result. It is showing total number of ledger from the list. You can check by writing any ledger name. Now we will see COUNTIF Formula by writing name in formula. Now select range from which we have to find value. Write name of ledger in criteria. It is showing total number of entries for ledger name we have written in formula. Change the name and see the result. In this way, we can use COUNTIF Formula in Excel. We will learn about other formulas in upcoming videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Watch our other videos for Excel and Tally. Subscribe to our. Thank you.